Imagine earning money while you sleep. This isn't a dream, this is YouTube automation. With minimal effort, you can create a passive income stream. YouTube offers a powerful platform. Millions of users are hungry for content. Tap into this audience and unlock your earning potential. YouTube automation is simple. You create a system. This system produces and distributes your videos. This minimizes your direct involvement. It's lucrative for several reasons. First, it's passive income. Second, it's scalable. Third, it offers freedom and flexibility. Many tools can help you. For video creation, try Vidnami or InVideo. For uploading and scheduling, use TubeBuddy or Hootsuite. For SEO, explore tools like TubeRanker or Keyword Tool. These tools simplify your tasks. They free up your time for other ventures. Here's how to start. First, choose a niche. Focus on a specific topic. Second, create high-quality videos. Use automation tools to streamline production. Third, optimize your videos. Use relevant keywords and tags. Fourth, promote your channel. Share your videos on social media. Fifth, track your results. Analyze your data and make adjustments. By following these steps, you can build a successful automated YouTube channel. It takes effort, but the reward